Okay, we are back at Tomlan Road. So the painting out here has been done. Obviously we need to neaten up and that needs painting as well. Dean has pretty much done as much as he can. So it's just the snagging left to do now. Alex has done the decorating from upstairs down here. He's got another, I think, another week left. And then it's a deep clean. He's going to, I believe, sand it and repaint it. So that goes, but I think Dean's going to get a quote just to see what that looks like once it's done. But Dean's also going to get a quote for some new doors as well. So we were going to get laminate flooring down here, and then we're going to get hardwood instead, herringbone design, but unfortunately the flooring is well, that needs self-leveling just so we can put the mat on there. But unfortunately the flooring here is uneven, which means we're not going to be able to put laminate on here. So I just had to go and quickly check. So that means potentially we're going to have to put carpeting down here, which, it's normal, but it's not ideal. So the question is, do we use the commercial carpet or do we just go ahead with the grey carpets? I suspect grey carpets will be nicer down here. That will be lino anyway, so that's already been decided. There's a kitchen there. But I suspect down here there will be carpet along here. That's probably why it was carpeted the last time by the previous owner. This has been all sorted now. So this is the extension. I think we've just got to double check the leak when Dean comes back and it's raining. But other than that, this should be fine. Yeah, so I suspect this is going to have to be carpeting. Let's go upstairs. So I think it looks like a proper house now. Light switches around. So these are the doors, and what Alex has done is he suggested we just go ahead and repaint them to see what they look like. And to be fair, they actually look really good. Actually, no, I think these are. I think these are these are the original ones. So they pretty much look brand new. So I think we can get away with using those. And we just get some new handles like these, because these will stick out. As you can see there. Quite a lot of rust, so they will stick out against a newly painted door. And this is the final room. Yeah, so these doors have come out really well, so I'm really impressed with that. We'll see what the downstairs doors are like with the glass. If it doesn't come out great, then we'll just have to replace them with new. In here, upstairs will be carpeted. This will be lino, but downstairs I suspect will now have to be carpeted as well. If you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let to manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. We also renovate properties for our clients as well and source them, and that's the neighbourhood. That's quite nice. Alright, see you.